Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Zimist Coded. Have you ever wondered what day of the week it is without opening your calendar? Well, today I'm going to show you a neat little trick to display the day of the week right on your Windows 11 taskbar clock. It's a simple tweak, but it can really help with your daily planning. All right, let's get started. First, click on the Start icon and type Registry in the search bar. Click on it from the list to open the Registry editor. Take your time here. Be careful as this is a sensitive area in Windows. Once you're in the Registry editor, navigate to this path step by step. First, open HKey Current User. Next, scroll down and click Control Panel. Then select International. Perfect. Now, on the right-hand side, scroll down until you find the value called sShortDate. Double-click it to open and edit it. Here's where the magic happens. This is the formatting code for how your date is displayed in the taskbar. Let me explain how the day of the week letters work. If you use 3 lowercase or uppercase Ds, that's 3 Ds, it shows the abbreviated day of the week. For example, Tuesday will appear as 2. It's short and keeps your taskbar neat. If you use 4 Ds, that's 4 Ds, it shows the full day name. So Tuesday will display as Tuesday in full. This takes more space, but sometimes it's nice if you want the full detail. Let's test them out. I'll start with 3 Ds and see how it looks on the taskbar. Nice. It's short, clear, and easy to read. Now let's try 4 Ds. It's a bit long for my liking, so for this setup, I'll stick with 3 Ds. But you can pick whichever style works best for you. And there you have it. After applying this change, you'll see the day of the week displayed right on your Windows 11 taskbar, alongside the date and time. It's a small tweak, but it makes your daily organization a lot easier. Thanks so much for watching this quick tutorial on Zimist Coded. If you found it helpful, go ahead and subscribe, drop a comment below, and stay tuned for more simple Windows tricks and tips that make your life easier. See you in the next one.